going to start recording again for this bit. All right, super. Okay, so let's now get into the original review. Okay, so here for our first question, let me zoom in for you guys as well. Sure, that makes life a bit easier. All you needed to do was true and false. And for each of these questions that they asked, they gave you guys 1.5 marks. So question 1 was out of 15, and then question 2 was out of 45. Okay. So question 1, Luca Pacioli developed the theory behind double entry account. This should be accounting. So you guys tell me true or false. Just give me a T if it's true and a F if it is false. Did Luca Pacioli develop the theory behind double entry accounting? T for true, F for false. Is it true or is it false? Anybody? Okay, all right. Anyway, I do know that you guys know the answer. That is obviously true. Okay, that is true. We go to the next one, and it asks the question, when using management accounting data is summarized for the entire organization. Is this true or false? Is it for the entire organization? Nope, it's not. So this one is false, okay? Then the next one, it says checking performance to determine whether predetermined goals are met is a measure of materiality. Checking performance to determine whether predetermined goals are met is a measure of materiality. That is false, okay? Materiality is just saying, is this issue of substance? Is this something that our investors need to know? Is it of substance? Okay, then it's material, all right? If something is material, it means that it's of importance, okay? It needs to be shared with them. They can make decisions off of this, okay? So it's material, all right? In the accounting cycle, the general ledger summarizes source documents. Does the general ledger summarize source documents? It's the journals, right? The journals that summarize source documents. So this is false. Okay, let's move on to number 5. Financial performance is calculated using a statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. All right, financial performance is calculated using a statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. This is true or false? This is true. Okay, we do use the income statement or your statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income to determine the performance of a company, to see how well did we do. We use profits and losses to determine how well, how poorly did we do. So that is true. Then the next one, number 6, it says employees and their representative groups are interested in information about the stability and profitability of their employers. Yes, employees are interested in the stability and profitability. Remember, employees are interested in the financials of a company. We learned this in Unit 1. So this is true. This is true. And the next one, it says IFRS is an acronym for International Financial Reporting Statements. Is this true or is this false? Is this true or is this false? What does IFRS stand for? So it's International Financial Reporting Standards, not statements. So this is false. Next one. The business entity concept provides that the accounting for a business or organization be kept separate from the personal affairs of the owner. This is 100% true. Remember, we said we're doing the books of the business. We're not doing the books of the owner. Okay? We're doing the books of the business, not the owner. The whole objective of what we're doing is for the owner, not for the business. Okay? Right. Let's go on. Next one. It says, when using financial accounting framework needs to be followed. Sorry, I must have typed that out wrongly. What is that supposed to look like? When using financial accounting, no accounting framework. No. When using financial accounting, no accounting framework. So let's do this to get this right. Copy and paste. And then here we're saying when using financial accounting, no accounting framework needs to be followed. When using financial accounting, no accounting framework needs to be followed. This is definitely false. We know that financial accounting is the one that is structured and must follow a certain framework. Okay, so this is definitely false. Okay, then number 10. The 4 essential functions of management are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Is that true? Is that true? I think it definitely is. I think it definitely is. Okay, so number 10 is true, right? Okay, super. So guys, I want to just finish off section B, this B section, and then that'll be it for today. But I think we can quickly take a break. So I'll give you guys an extra 3 minutes. And then at 11 o'clock, let's get together and finish off our revision of the test 1 that we wrote. The test 1 that we wrote, the original test 1. Okay, otherwise, if you have any questions, any thoughts, please throw them in the chat and we will deal with those as soon as we get back. Super. Cool beans.